Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Solver. Hope you are well. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fake live snap on Snapchat. So let's go. For this, first of all, you have to open your Snapchat app. Now make a video. Now click on sticker. Click on time. And again click on sticker. Select your day. Now press on save. So this is how you can make fake live snap on Snapchat. That's it. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.